Hello Wangwana, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to discuss about conjunctions. Before we resume the presentation, I would like to take you back to a little bit to our previous video, which was about myths, and we discussed different ideas about myths, the purpose of a myth, the key features of a myth, not forgetting the greatest hadiths about gratitude, where we say that thanking Allah, thanking people is as well as thanking Allah, and we encourage each other that we should be that great people or who can appreciate what other people do to us. Uh, with that, let's proceed to our presentation. Let's start by looking at objectives of this presentation. Now, I expect that the whoever would be using this or watching this presentation should be able to define conjunctions at the end of the presentation. Another thing, I would like them to construct sentences using conjunctions, explain the role of conjunctions in a sentence, and lastly, comprehend conjunctions rules. What is a conjunction? Now, there are different definitions that you may come across to do with the conjunction, but we are going to focus on the ones that are best, the ones based on this presentation. Conjunctions are connecting or joining words. They can be used to join words, phrases, and sentences. There are two types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunction. In this presentation, we are going to focus on coordinating conjunctions. They are very amazing way of and easy of remembering, recalling, coordinating conjunctions. You can use an acronym, fanboys, to remember easily the coordinating conjunctions. Actually, uh, F stands for, which is for, stands for because or why, and is showing additional information. Nor is used to not as not or either, but to show contrasts or to make choices, and yet to as well to show contrast like but. So is used as to show as a result, and these are the ways that these conjunctions can be used to join different sentences. As we continue, wow, I would like to turn your attention to how we can use a conjunction and. And can be used to add information or to join related ideas. A good example is in this sentence: white families is a subject on its own, and black families is a subject on its own. The two are joined together with and to make them, because they are talking about a related idea. use but to join different ideas. Like in the sentence, Mustafa would have lived a quiet life, but he chose to take action. So it is two different ideas, and we have joined the two using but. One is positive, while the other one is a negative action. Use or to suggest a choice. If you're making choices, like most of the time when we are correcting or guiding students, it is always good to help them by giving them choices in case they are facing difficulties in responding to questions. So we can use or to offer their choices. Like in the sentence, Maria can be a doctor or Maria can be a lawyer. So Maria she's free to choose on either of the two kind of jobs. A conjunction and can be used to make a compound subject, like in the sentence, Omar and his sister. So Omar is a subject and his sister is another subject. They are joined together using and, making a compound subject. You can also use conjunctions. Use conjunctions to form compound predicates. So we can also use them to form compound predicates. That means joining the two verbs, action words together. As a good example is in the sentence, use conjunctions to join compound sentences. There are cases whereby you will meet compound sentences or two sentences that need to be joined together because they are related in one way or another. So you can use conjunctions to join them to form a compound sentence. We can go to the store or we can go to the library. So we can go to the store is one part of the sentence, and we can go to the library is another one. So the two are offering choices. So using a conjunction or help us to join these two sentences to make a compound sentence, as well as B, choice B. Also we used but to join two sentences to create a compound sentence. This has been a very amazing and interesting moment. It's time I will wish that we take just a minute to either like the channel, subscribe in the video, and as well don't forget to ring the bell. Look out for the next video. I hope it will be interesting as well. Thank you all.